This machining process begins with the outer contour. After positioning using G0, the tool moves to Z11. With G41, the left cutter radius compensation is activated. The tool is automatically offset to the side. The contour consists of straight lines, G1, and a clockwise circular arc, G2. Next comes a special geometry. Using a subprogram, a contoured pocket is milled that combines a straight section with a half radius. The process continues with cycle G73, used here to mill a circular pocket. The depth is 19 mm and the pocket radius is 11.025 mm. The tool automatically moves down in several steps. This is followed by a rectangular pocket with corner radius programmed using G72. It measures 37 by 24 mm and has a corner radius of 7 mm. Using another subprogram, two cutouts are milled into the rectangular pocket. One larger with a circular arc and one smaller semicircular pocket. In the next step, finishing is done. G23 repeats the previously programmed contour passes. Then come the drilling operations. First simple centering with G81, followed by countersinking with G82. Finally, thread cutting using G84. With just a few carefully chosen cycles, a complex part is created. If you want to learn how to write such programs yourself or deepen your existing knowledge, then SYMplus is the right software for you.